at school. My break ended pretty early. Now I'm in Endo Repro block. I'm not sure if I like it because Endo is like a review. It's pretty interesting to learn about the hormones and things like that. Class ended early, so that was nice. Yeah, but I'm just gonna go home now and eat lunch and probably study because what else is new? I just got out from church and they were so nice. They gave me peppermint tea. Yeah. So now I'm going grocery shopping. And it's like really raining outside. But it's okay. At least it's not snowing, unlike yesterday. Guys, I got this mini keyboard. It's pretty cute. And it's portable, so I decided to get it for when I need a break and I just want to practice. It's folded like this and I think it's chargeable and you can open it. And to be honest, the sound quality isn't the best, and also the weight of the keys is very light, so it's a little different than playing on an actual piano. And also the spacing of the keys, like on a real piano I could reach an octave, but here I'm like struggling. Overall it's nice because I can like plug my headphones in and basically play anytime. It also comes with a pedal, which is nice, but I haven't tried it yet. So I went to this boba place and I got a passion fruit. I think it's, I can't tell if it's milk tea or not, but anyways, I'm gonna try it and see if it's good. Drink is like not that cold itself because I think they warmed up the boba or something. Also, there are like passion fruit seeds in it, and it's making the drink kind of crunchy. It's interesting. I think when I mix the ice in, it tastes better. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and are staying warm if you got some snow. So please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I just wanted to say hi to Chesil. I miss you. I hope rotations are going well for you so far, and hope to see you in person maybe in the summer or something. Yeah, but take care. Bye.